Rekindling your speed swimming skills after a long break. Starting to swim again can feel daunting, especially after a long break. However, it's a journey that's full of victories, both large and small. The first step is coming to terms with where you are. Acknowledge that it may take some time to regain your past form. Next, you need to set realistic goals. Focus on getting back into the routine of swimming before worrying about your speed and technique. Consistency is key in this process. It's more important to swim regularly than it is to swim hard. Patience is essential when you're getting back into swimming. It's not about getting back your old speed overnight, but gradually rebuilding your stamina. Getting proper gear can make a big difference. Invest in a good quality swimsuit, goggles, and cap that are comfortable and efficient. Getting proper gear can make a big difference. Invest in a good quality swimsuit, goggles, and cap that are comfortable and efficient. Stretching before each swim is a must. It will help in reducing the risks of injuries and also increase your flexibility. Start with slow, relaxed swimming, concentrating on your technique rather than your speed. Begin with shorter sessions, gradually increasing duration as your fitness improves. Overexertion can lead to burnout or injuries. Paying attention to your breathing is also crucial. A steady, rhythmic breathing pattern will keep you relaxed and increase your endurance. A balanced diet is important. Incorporate protein-rich foods to aid muscle recovery and carbohydrates for energy. Staying hydrated is essential. Drink water before, during, and after your swim to replenish lost fluids. Using a kickboard can help improve your leg strength and kick technique, crucial aspects of speed swimming. Try drills that focus on different aspects of technique, such as arm strokes, kick, and turns. Tracking your progress is a great motivation booster. Jot down your times, distances, and how you felt during each swim. Pool workouts aren't the only way to improve your swimming. Cross-training activities like cycling or weightlifting can enhance your overall strength and endurance. Remember, rest days are important. Your body needs time to recover and adapt to the new demands placed upon it. Incorporate interval training into your sessions once your fitness improves. This trains your body to recover more quickly. Remember to stay positive. Don't let slower times or difficulty with techniques discourage you. Take time to enjoy the water. Swim because you love it, not just because you want to get better. Joining a swimming club or community can provide motivation and support. They can share tips and tricks or even become friendly competitors. Consider hiring a swim coach. They can help pinpoint areas for improvement and provide personalized training plans. Pay attention to your body signals. Overtraining can lead to injuries. If something doesn't feel right, ease up. Regularly updating your goals can keep you motivated. Once you meet a goal, set a new one. Remember, swimming is supposed to be fun. Don't get so wrapped up in improvement that you forget to enjoy yourself. Participating in swimming meetups or events can give you something to aim for and can make training more enjoyable. Celebrate each victory, no matter how small. Each improvement is a step forward in your journey. In the end, the journey back to speed swimming isn't just about physical endurance, but mental resilience too. Keep going, you're doing great.